Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, a painter is painting end walls with the same size and shape in the building using a specific brand of paint. The fee for the job can be calculated using nKlh. N is the number of walls, K is a constant with units of dollars per square foot, L is the length of each wall in feet, and H is the height of each wall. And we're asked, the customer asked the painter to use a more expensive brand of paint. Which of the factors in the expression would change? Well, to do that, we have to say what would not change. Well, the painter is still painting end walls. That doesn't change, even if it's a different paint. K is a constant with units of dollars per square foot. We don't really know what that means just yet, but we can leave that as a possibility right now. For changing paint, the length of each wall is not changing, and neither would the height. So by elimination, K is the only thing that could possibly change while keeping the same walls and only changing the brand of paint that they're using. So by process of elimination, your answer is going to have to be C, which is K.